What's up? It's Roel and welcome back to another video of my channel. So last week, sobrang busy ko. Dumating kasi yung super cute namin pamangkin, kaya we decided to spoil her. Kung curious ka kung anong mga nangyari, watch this video.
Past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down?
Aww, di ba? Sobrang cute niya. In my last episode, sinabi ko sa inyo what is a vlog, yung favorite monetization methods ko, tsaka yung personal story ko. Kung hindi mo pa yun napanood, click this card right here. Today, let's talk about finding your niche, finding your niche in 2 simple steps. Hoop! Okay, first step, focus on your passion. So, why focus on your passion? As a first-time vlogger, you should only work on topics that you really care about para ma-minimize yung odds of quitting. This will also help you find drive to persevere. Now, to identify your passion, you only need to answer 3 questions. So, first question is, what am I good at and love? So, this can be your hobbies, talents, or skills. You can also answer this by figuring out where you spend most of your time, yung mga magazines na binabasa mo, or yung mga topics na gustong-gusto mong matutunan. I suggest listing down 10 topics that you really love and are good about. Of course, the more the better. The second question you need to answer is, what is the world need or problems that you can solve? So, of all things that you've listed on the first question, find out the ones that you think you have solutions to certain problems. Bigyan kitang example. If you are good and love dogs, you might know something about dog psychology, dog care, or dog training that other dog lovers are struggling. Then, if that's the case, a blog niche about dogs is a good fit for you. Lastly, to find your passion, you need to ask, how do I get paid? You need to remember that in any business, there are different ways to monetize. Let's say, for example, you ended up choosing dogs as your blog niche. So, you can do affiliate marketing to sell other merchants' dog product, or even build your own e-commerce shop. You can also sell training programs, coaching, and a lot more. I'll discuss more blog monetization, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here's a word of caution though. If you're in it just for the money, don't expect longevity. Okay, let's move to the second and final step in finding your niche, creating a market research and analyzing the profitability of your niche. Eto, ninja moves. Tutulungan kita ng technical at mas mabilis na paraan to do this research. Okay, game. Go to Amazon.com, or if you are in the Philippines, Lazada would also be a good website. You will find that, meron silang different product categories, and if you click, for example, baby, you will find the subcategories. If you want a more narrowed niche, you can keep on selecting the category you want. So, once you decided what your niche will be, you can use the subcategories here as blog categories too. Personally, that's what I do. And that's how you find your niche. If you've learned something new today, comment down below, give this video a like, and subscribe because I post videos every single week. Also, if you are a seasoned blogger, I personally would love to know the steps you do on how you personally find your niche. So feel free to comment down below and let's have a chat. With that guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!